Welcome to TSR Digital TV. We salute the efforts and the achievements of the NCB, Narcotic Control Bureau, Northern Region, under the dynamic stewardship and the most able guidance of IPS Ganesha Singh, who is presently the Deputy Director General of NCB Northern Region. NCB yesterday successfully caught hold of two very influential and very dangerous drug cartel dealers. One, Amjad Ali, who was caught from Amritsar, and Jarnail Singh, who was arrested in Vadodara from Gujarat by the NCB. We salute and appreciate the big achievements of NCB, which has never ever happened before. In our endeavor to bring an end to the drug nexus in Himachal, we truly stand firm, rock solid, to make all efforts and do all the possible endeavors to bring an end to drug trafficking. But the drug trafficking nexus is so deep rooted in India, and this entire nexus starts from Afghanistan. In the last 1 decade, India has been very badly hit. Our youngsters, who are full of capability, who have all the virtues, all the qualities of making a good nation, are now being trapped by the most dangerous venom of drugs. In the last 1 decade, which has been observed in the state of Himachal and also in all our neighboring states, especially Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, this entire region has been trapped by the dangerous heroin, which we call chitta. Chitta has made its roots so deep within, and the cartel has such deep roots, which definitely involves the hand in glove engagement of some very influential politicians, bureaucrats, because this cannot be without the help of influential people sitting on very, very important positions. But we salute the efforts of IPS Ganesha Singh and his team of NCB, who successfully could nail down the most dangerous two drug traffickers who were caught from Gujarat and Amritsar. Now, this is a very, very important information. The entire drug nexus operates from Afghanistan. All the consignments of heroin, which we call chitta, it starts from Afghanistan, and via the routes of Afghanistan, they reach Pakistan, and from Pakistan, the base camp is in Punjab, and from Punjab, it is further distributed via an integrated network of drug nexus and cartel, who supply these drugs further to Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and other parts of India. Himachal, being a very, very noble state, the people of Himachal have been very, very benevolent, very innocent, very hardworking, full of all the capabilities, and in last 5 decades, our shining stars have shown their capability. But this dreadful disease, this most dangerous of all wars, which is penetrating within a society, drugs, this has to be eliminated, eradicated, with a very scientific strategy, with a very firm conviction and a plan which we can think beyond what the criminals and the cartels are. So this entire nexus, which operates from Afghanistan and reaches India via borders of Pakistan through Punjab, have deep-rooted its integrated wings, and now, because there are many influential people hand in glove, so this strategy has to be devised in such a way that the state governments and the NCB and the other forces, they work in such coordination that we can successfully bring an end to this drug nexus. We salute the efforts of NCB, the entire team of NCB, Narcotic Control Bureau, North India, and the team leader, IPS Ganesha Singh, who has done an amazing job and successfully caught hold of two very important sources. Now, these two people who have been caught Amjad Ali, who was nabbed in Amritsar, and Jarnail Singh, who was arrested in Vadodara in Gujarat, they can be a gold mine. They can be a jackpot for the department, for the NCB, for the police department, for state governments to bring a drug racket to a full stop. It is up to our appropriate authorities, our governments and NCB to extract the most classified information from them and get the roadmap to the entire drug nexus and the cartel which is operating and has devastated the present and future of Indian youth. Our youth is full of enormous potential. They have so much of qualities, virtues, they are intelligent, they are energetic, enthusiastic, and they are the future of India. We have to pledge, stop the blame game. Whatever has happened in past is past. Let us all unite together and support the efforts of NCB and salute the conviction and the bravery, the valor of IPS Ganeshu Singh and his team, who have done an amazing job. It's a miraculous achievement done by them. And to ensure that their hard work is not going for a waste, we need to make sure that these two big leads which we have got from the NCB department do not go for a waste. We make the best out of it and we can extract maximum classified undercover information, the secret confidential information as to how the drug cartel operates, where all do they have their base camps, how this integrated network works, and how do they so easily manage to supply drugs, because the drugs are so easily available. The state government is always doing a high voltage drama to bring an end to drug nexus, but despite such big announcements, despite such big claims, the drug nexus is going on the higher side. Even during the lockdowns since last year, March 2020, when the entire society was asked to stay within their homes, how come the drug nexus was operating? A person who is afflicted by drugs becomes a liability for the society. They do not work for their families. They do not obey the responsibilities of a son, of a father, of a brother, of an accountable citizen of India. That very youngster who a few years back was a very, very intelligent, productive and an asset to society transforms into a liability. The family is helpless. You see in news very now and then, the cases of overdose deaths are increasing day by day. The parents are shedding tears of helplessness. The government announces an inquiry. They exhibit tall claims of bringing an end to drug nexus, but on ground reality, there is no improvement. And now, when there is a very big achievement by the NCB, so it's time to make one big achievement out of this. We need to get maximum information from these two, Amjad Ali and Jarnail Singh, and extract the most confidential information of how this nexus works. Stay tuned with TSR, and we salute the efforts of Team NCB Northern Region and IPS Ganeshu Singh, who have done a marvelous achievement in nabbing these two big leads and bringing a full stop to the drug nexus in Northern India. Thank you. This is Girish Suri signing on TSR Digital TV. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Himachal.
मेरा नाम अमजद अली है, बाप का नाम अब्दुल मजीद, गांव खरक, माँ का नाम शहनाज बेगम है। ज़िला लाहौर का मैं रहायशी हूँ जो कि पाकिस्तान में है। थाना मनिहाला है। और मैं और मेरा एक साथी 6 अप्रैल को एक बड़े स्मगलर के पास गए जो कि कसूर में था। कसूर में उससे मिले और उसने हमें कहा कि तुम बाइक पर मोटरसाइकिल ले जाओ और बाइक अपनी पर रोहेवाल पहुँचो। हम रोहेवाल में पहुँचे और वो बड़ा स्मगलर और एक उसका साथी, वो दोनों हमें वहाँ 21 पैकेट और एक पीसीबी पाइप दे दिया और साथ एक बंदा दिया। जब उन्होंने एक बंदा दिया तो हम वो 21 पैकेट उठाए और लेकर अगले बंदों से रब्ता किया। आगे आने वाले 4 बंदे थे जो 2 तारों के पास थे और जो 2 उनसे पीछे थे। हम वहां से 21 पैकेट और एक पीसीबी पाइप उठाया और मोबाइल से रब्ता किया अगले बंदे से। मोबाइल और पावर बैंक था मेरे पास। हमने उनसे रब्ता किया अगले बंदों से जो आए हुए थे। वहां से चले 11:30 बजे तकरीबन हम 0 लाइन पर पहुंचे और उसके बाद अगले बंदे का कॉल आया कि जल्दी आओ, यहाँ कोई बीएसएफ वाला नहीं है। हम भागकर तारों के पास पहुंचे तो अगले बंदे ने हमें देखा, मैंने उसको देखा और उसने बोला कि हमें बीएसएफ वालों ने देख लिया है, पीछे भाग जाओ। हम पीछे भागने लगे तो मेरे 2 साथी पीछे भाग गए और फायरिंग हो गई और मेरे 2 साथी पीछे भाग गए। मैं वहाँ ही दुबक गया। जैसे ही मैं वहाँ छुपा रहा तो बीएसएफ वाले दरवाज़ा खोलकर आगे आए और उन्होंने मुझे तारों के पास से माल समेत पकड़ लिया। 21 पैकेट और पीसीबी पाइप के साथ मुझे पकड़ लिया और अगले बंदे जो इंडिया के थे वो भी भाग गए।
A Pakistani smuggler, along with 20.5 kg of heroin, was caught on the intervening night of 6th and 7th April by BSF. The case was handed over to NCB, and from there on, we took on the investigation, which reveals that it's an international syndicate which is working from across the border. The suppliers are sitting across the fence and pushing in the drugs in India. We have identified them. And with the help of international forums and Interpol, we are going to try our best to nab them and nail them. On the Indian side, the traffickers who have been identified, they are on run. For past 1 week, we were chasing one of them and we were successful in arresting him from Gujarat. And remaining others are on our radar and we'll soon nab them. In such an important case, it is of primary importance to build up backward and forward linkages and work on them. It's a classic example of good coordination between BSF and NCB. Surveillance on international border has been mounted, and because of this increased surveillance, the smugglers are known to have been using other routes like maritime routes, and few cases in recent past have been registered in that regard. Under the leadership of present DG, we are striving our best to have better interstate coordination and interagency coordination to curb this menace of drugs, and hopefully we are getting better results out of that.
Subscribe to TSR Digital TV. Press the bell icon to never miss an update.
TSR Digital TV. Opinion to impact.